Dreams of a white Christmas becoming a nightmare. More than 200 million people across the United States prepare for their holidays under extreme weather alerts, warned that things may get worse.
You can't see anything. Dangerous blizzard. Once-in-a-generation blizzard hammering Buffalo.
A so-called bomb-cyclone being blamed for causing the drastic drop in atmospheric pressure. These satellite images show an Arctic air mass which is bringing freezing rains, snow and ice running from Mexico to Canada. In New York State, as the cyclone approaches from the west, flooding ravages the east coast.
This is an epic statewide hazard. There's no other way to describe this than this is having an impact everywhere. My message for New Yorkers is simple. This is a life-threatening, dangerous event. Protect yourselves, protect your families. Do not travel.
But some travellers are rolling the dice. There have been 12 deaths linked to the extreme weather, mostly on roads, with one reported in this 50-car pile-up in the state of Ohio. Airports are a scene of panic and frustration, with more than 8,000 flights cancelled on Friday.
It's not easy. I'm delayed here because of the crazy storm. Where I'm going, I just heard that it's been flooded.
We were trying to make some backup plans with the flights and everything is sold out. So unfortunately, if we can't make it out today, we're not going to be able to get there for the holidays.
More than 1.5 million homes are without power across the US and Canada, with the US state of Wisconsin declaring an emergency as the Arctic blast settles in for Christmas. Kathleen Ferguson, ABC News.